And I'm going to be very honest here. For some reason, call it anxiety, call it excitement. For some reason, it feels like I've completely forgotten how to ride a bike. There are so many elements to check, and this is the first time I'm riding like this. It's something undescribable at this point of time. I'm not sure. Is it? Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude, the phone fell. And thankfully, right on my lap. Holy shit! Like Michael Scott would say, should have ended one of two ways. But I never expected this to fall on my lap. Close to 6:30 and the highway is packed. Oh my goodness. It is jam packed. Oh boy, can you see that? Oh man. Let's count the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Followed by another 16 and then to 32. Plus 2. 34 wheels on that vehicle. No clue what it was carrying though. Looked like the top of a storage, your grain storage, something like that. And again, the purpose of me doing this vlog is, I don't know, just to share my journey. Long time back I was just thinking, yes, we do work, we do earn, and we just live. What are we leaving behind? As an individual, what am I leaving behind for others to remember me? And that's when I thought, this is a good way to not just capture memories but also share those memories with people, and that's one of the reasons why I started this channel. All geared to start now. We stopped here for our breakfast. Vasanta Bhavan. Okay, we took a break. Now the time says we will reach Kodaikanal at 3 o'clock. I don't know, we'll do our best to beat the clock. Oh, nice, awesome weather. Look at the greens on all sides. And of course, this gentleman. 9 liters is what I got, 914 rupees. Petrol price is 101 rupees here today. Sigh of relief, I think it was 104 couple of days back. Thank you PTRG. Thank you for reducing it by 3 rupees like you promised. So GoPro is charged up, and of course if you are using Google Maps, how is it not possible that you will get lost? So clearly when we were crossing Trichy, we came over the Kaveri river, which is actually the lifeline of Tamil Nadu. And interestingly, the river bifurcates near Trichy, and that is why you get an island which is called Srirangam, and it is on that island you have Srirangam temple, which is actually the largest temple still being used for worshipping. Angkor Wat is technically the largest temple, but then again it's not being used for worshipping, so that makes Sri Rangam the largest temple. I could be wrong, I could be right, I'm not sure. Probably I'll do a fact check once I reach Kodaikanal, but I think to my knowledge that's true. Having said that, we got lost. Google Maps, due to Google Maps, we missed a turn and then had to take a big detour. Surprisingly, that detour made us lose 30 minutes rather than gain 30 minutes. So I have no clue how that worked. Earlier it was showing that we'll reach the hotel by 4 o'clock and now it's showing that we will reach the hotel by 3:30. So what did we learn? Everything happens for good. The weather has been really kind on us today. Just thankful for that. I really hope that it just gets better. You could see the hills. Not sure if it's been captured in the super view, but I'll try to zoom in during the edits. Okay. So that was the hotel where we chose to eat the food, and what did we have? We had Natukuri biryani, then we had mutton chukka, 2 cola urundais and a 7-up, and for 2 people it costed somewhere around 750 bucks. So I won't tell you whether it was cheap or whether it was fair price. It's quite subjective, but I would let you tell me, what do you feel? 750 bucks for that? Fair price? Good price? Let us know. I have never seen these crisscross lines on the road. What do they mean? Dude, just look how tall they are. Holy shit. Not often you realize the magnificence of nature. And here we go. Lone Pirate Rider is all kicked up. Let the climb begin. I think this is the same road down as well. Oh, yep. Words fail to describe how beautiful it is. Oh damn view. And this is the view. Whoa, awesome it is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. A view worth capturing indeed. Meanwhile, Valentino Rossi is beating me in all the curves. Desi Valentino. Look at how deep and dark the forest is. Or rather, how deep and dark the Ghat road is. This is some next level stuff. The day is going right as I expected. And there he goes again. Okay, so it begins. It's raining, the roads are slippery, cornerings needs to be fine, which means cornering needs to be slow. Overtaking needs to be done with care, and the rain is kicking up speed. Mobile is waterproof. It should be able to withstand this rain. But if the rain increases further, I will have to take a different approach. All right. Interestingly, it's raining with the same intensity with which we left Chennai. Whoa. Is it gonna rain more? I hope not. These guys are waiting it out. I have no plans to wait it out. I need to reach as early as possible. Oh, but driving in the rain is such awesome stuff. Oh my god.